Robotics and drones. Robotics and drones is an exciting new technology that can be applied to virtually any field or industry. Robotics use robotic arms and other devices that are controlled by computers. Robotics gives people the ability to create complex machines, even working on a fully automatic. Robotics is the use of machine intelligence to perform a task, such as moving an object or crawling through a hostile environment. Drones are unmanned flying vehicles that are controlled by telemetry, radio control. Drones are WAVs that can be remotely controlled from a distance, sometimes over long distances, or land autonomously when not in direct line of sight. Robotics is an area of robotics where robots are designed to perform tasks that are typically performed by people. Robotics and Drones is a global leader in robotic automation, providing products and services that automate manufacturing, process control, and warehouse operations. Robotics and drones are technology that allow machines to perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. Today, drones and robots are used widely to monitor activities in a variety of fields such as mining, construction, and agriculture. These tools have contributed to an increase in productivity and higher quality products by allowing businesses to access resources that were previously unreachable. Robotics and drones will be helpful for robotics, drone technology, computer programming, HVAC engineering, and supply chain management.